Hello, good afternoon. So this is the master community ARANCIA, the yards, with the residential phases and the final commercial office spaces. So as we may see, lots of greeneries, lots of amenities, Olympic pool, pools, sports facilities, paddle courts, tennis courts. We're gonna have kids play areas, several gyms, family pools, clubhouse, and many more. So this is the second phase for buildings A, B, C, D. I shared the unit 3-bedroom, which is on the highest possible floor right here, 7th floor, which is overlooking the community itself. It has amazing views to the green garden and to the future phases with the lagoons right here. One of the most open view. Contact me to get the details to secure the unit.